3 months since the year began. Today we are going to do a self-evaluation. How are you doing with your goals? I know you set some. I know you set some. So how are you doing? Are you on track? Are you succeeding? If not, what do you need to do to make success inevitable? If you are succeeding, what can you do to increase the acceleration of the results you're getting? Because if you've figured out a way out, you can make it increase the capacity, the force, the volume, so that you can get more results faster. But if you're failing, now is the time to go back and figure out and reevaluate. What do you need to add? What do you need to remove? What didn't work? What works? It's okay to change course if things are not working. So evaluate. The point is, at the end, we need to see tangible results of success. There is no point in being wishy-washy, either thinking the results will come from somewhere else. It's all on you. So how are you doing? This process is going to be an honest process, because if you've been, thinking you'll do it tomorrow and all of a sudden 3 months have gone, we've all been there, we've done that. But quickness of implementation is a must. So as you set the goals, be sure to implement right away, and be sure to set targets to know that you're on track.